Dear passengers, due to the weather conditions, the roads are still closed and passengers are therefore welcome on board again through the gangway.
I think we'll be stuck in this village for a few days. Good morning. It was a terrible night. The boat was rocking a lot, but the good news is that we are 1 hour away from Iceland. So we'll take the time until we get there to take a shower and put our stuff away, because this cabin currently is a f***ing mess.
7 days since she left, I'm still amazed. The way she dressed, I mean, woof, the way she smelled, made my every cell scream rum bum bum.
The captain yesterday said we should leave at 9. It's 8:30 and he hasn't said a word, but the boat is not rocking anymore. So we're gonna see what is happening. I think that's the port, isn't it?
The port is there, yeah.
So why
I think our PA is not working.
should we leave the van?
No, just when we park.
Okay.
Customs are not in the terminal and therefore the car deck will not be open. We apologize for the inconvenience. We are in Shakespeare.
Since we arrived, the key to our room is not working anymore and we have all of our stuff inside.
Yeah, it's not working.
Yeah, there. We cannot live.
They're going to vote against it, and that is likely to mean that the Brexiteers and the Conservatives.
Dear passengers, the car deck will open at 1 o'clock. All driving passengers are therefore asked to drive their cars through the customs. The car deck will close when all the cars have left and therefore it is not possible to drive back on board. Due to the weather conditions, the roads are still closed and passengers are therefore welcome on board again through the gangway.
We need to take the car out, but we are welcome to come back in again.
And sleep again or something? Can we spend the night here? No, it doesn't make sense.
At least until the roads are closed, I think. You can stay here.
I don't think so, because they need to leave at some point.
It's 20 minutes to 1, so we are going to the car deck now and see if it is as they said, if they will open at 1 or not.
Until October.
Yes, okay, thank you.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. The thing is, we have no idea when the roads are going to be open.
Yeah,
It
but
could
the boat, they will tell
It could
us.
take 2 days, it could take 3 days, it could take a week.
Yeah, it can take a lot of time, but I think in the boat at least they will say something about it. They will kick us out at some point, that's for sure. They will not be there the rest of the week. But they will say something like, oh, the roads are open now. The roads are not open now. Whenever we need, we come back and pop the heater on and try to survive.
Our first proper meal and we're still stuck in the boat indefinitely. We are spending another night here in the boat because they are not going to clean the roads. There's a massive snowstorm out there, so we have until 2 p.m. of tomorrow to leave the boat.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We are leaving now for dinner. That's actually a lie. We already left. I came back upstairs to get the camera because we forgot. So I came back for the camera. Francisco is already downstairs waiting for me. What did you think of Can you stop for a second? Excuse me, sir.
Oh, me?
Yes. What did you think of dinner?
I don't have dinner for 3 weeks now.
What did you think of dinner?
Expensive. I'm full. It was a buffet. They had a lot of options. It wasn't bad. Everything was pretty damn good. Everything we tried, at least. But yeah, quite expensive. We paid like 77 euros just for food. I think there was some drinks included that we didn't notice. I just noticed that when we were going to pay for the drinks that apparently weren't included. Good morning. We are still in the boat. We slept here this night, but we need to leave at 2. And I don't think the road will be open by that time. I think we'll be stuck in this village for a few days.
It's 3 p.m. and we think they are gonna escort the cars out of here to the next village. So we are here in the van. There was also a couple of men that asked for a ride until the next village, so we said yes. That's why I'm hanging out in the back. And yeah, we're just waiting to see if they are really gonna escort people out.
So we need to go there and turn right, somewhere like there in the stop sign or something.
A lot of cars doing some kind of. Can move to this side of the road.
Yeah.
And wait there. Thank you.
I think I understand why the road was closed.
Yeah.
We finally made it to the other village. The road we want to catch after, it's not closed, but it says it's tricky. It's only for experienced drivers, so we'll wait for tomorrow for the update.
Welcome to day 2 of trying to get to our job. We actually didn't say anything about this, but we have a job here in Iceland, like always. This is how we afford to travel. It's by working in the place where we travel to. We are gonna work in a farm. We just need to get there first. It's still very snowy outside. It's kind of a storm that comes and goes. But we are gonna try anyway, because it says that the roads are okay.
So before we go to wherever we can go today, we need some stuff. So here we are.
But we are not done yet. We still need to put some gas on our baby. I have no idea how much is this.
So per liter, 220.
220 euros per liter.
Yeah, it's the most expensive one we found. It was 90 euros.
I paid 90 euros for half a tank.
Yeah, for 40 liters.
Do you feel safe?
Yeah, we have a car ahead of us. I think the guy was waiting for a car because it was stopped on the side of the road. So I think it was like, yeah, I'm not crossing this by myself. So we are kind of teaming up here.
We made it to Akurery. It's almost 5, so I think we are gonna get some lunch. A weird timing, I know. We stopped in the mall. You know a drill. And there's like an ad for a restaurant that is killing me. Look at that burger. They don't have McDonald's here in Iceland, but damn, that's a good looking burger.
We're going to sleep tonight. We're going to sleep now. So we are going to sleep now. And tomorrow we will drive to our final destination. Let's hope the weather will be good and let us drive there. And yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow.
Do you sleep just today or the other days as well?
Good morning. We had a relatively quiet night of sleep, but in the morning we started talking about our new job, and she was starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed. How are you feeling now?
A little bit overwhelmed.
She is still a little bit overwhelmed.
I've never been really good at farming stuff. Every time I tried, I've failed. So this is why I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Francisco already had the opportunity to work in that farm in 2021 for 4 months. So he knows the job, he knows how to do it, he's comfortable with everyone there. It's just new for me.
She will be the best farmer ever. Huh?
This is for all my girls and pals that have anxiety. Buy sour gummies. They say it helps. Kinda. These are not very sour, so it's just an addiction that I gained. I mean, it's comforting to know that you have something besides anxiety.
It's really cold outside. It's like -1. It feels like -4 apparently. Our fresh water, it's not frozen. It's okay, it's running. But our grey water tank, it's probably frozen. So our water is not going down. Here in the kitchen sink and even in the bathroom, both of them are now filled up with water because the water just doesn't go down.
What
Wonderful.
can we do? We don't know.
Winter van life!
Yay! Is that a straw?
Yes, I was trying to see if I could blow some air through it or something. Not working.
This is the solution he found.
The only option we have now.
Yeah, it's the only option.
Is it easy to come?
Yes,
Yeah?
very easy, very
Very easy? Do you like it?
Yes, I very much like it. That is a water park, and Francisco was like, "Do you want to go?" And I was like, "No, it's freezing cold." But there were some kids there.
Yep.
There were some kids in the water park.
Look, what ain't no way I made a way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made the way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fade.
I have no idea where we are, but the mountain is quite, like,
Beautiful
yeah, it's beautiful.
and sharp.
And sharp, yeah, that's the word I was looking for. We can't stop, like, we are stopped now. Well, we did it anyway, because the mountain is quite beautiful. So I guess we're on our way again.
The weather was really good. It was like sunny and everything, no snow, no wind, like windy, that's normal. But like, I don't know, 15 minutes ago it completely shifted. It was like hitting a wall out of nowhere. Just like a wall of fog and wind and snow and everything, and now the weather is just dreadful.
It's -2, but it feels like -10, and the wind is 39 kilometers per hour. This is insane. So what's the plan now? Should we stay in this village?
No, I don't know.
To keep driving at this point seems dangerous.
Yeah, it's real bad.
I don't think we should. I think we should wait. Do you want to get a coffee in the...
I'm not sure if the supermarket sells coffee.
Okay.
Oh, they have coffee maybe.
Okay,
They have
so...
a machine there.
So yeah, let's get coffee and get warm. So since the weather says it's not very cloudy, do you want to keep driving? Do you think we are stupid if we keep driving? Because I think we are. Because we don't have those type of cars. Like really high with really big wheels. Oh, it's a dirt road from now on?
Yeah, until the farm. Like the tarmac will finish probably in 10 kilometers or something. So
Yeah.
the last 30 kilometers will be just dirt road.
Should we just risk it?
Let's wait a little bit longer.
But it's like you said, it comes and goes.
Yeah, now it looks like it's pretty good.
Welcome to our pop quiz. What did we do? A. To be stupid and drive. B. To be safe and wait. Or C. Sleep in the supermarket. It's A. To be stupid and drive. I guess the wind is not gonna stop, so I guess we are gonna keep driving. Should we just keep driving?
Yep. Let's go.
You have no idea whose song is this, right?
No.
Harry Styles.
Of course it is.
Are we sliding a little bit?
Yeah, it's fine.
We are sliding. Okay. Oh yeah. It was worse in my mind.
I guess I kind of overreacted.
There's nothing here.
Get all these doors. So much wind coming through the doors. And there is a dead ship.
That's a dead sheep.
That's a dead ship. Just another day.
I looked at it and I thought maybe it's just a rug or something.
No.
Hi, love. What's your name? There's a cat.
Oh, the cat is super friendly.
Hi. Oh, they are so scared.
Yeah, they should try to move slow. Don't stare.
I'm not gonna stare at them. I was staring at them because I thought they were really cute. Please don't be scared by me. I'm friendly and I will work with you for the next 3 months. So, get used to my face. It smells so bad in here. Oh, the boys.
Can you see? There are all the boys, some young ones. They are intimidating. Yeah, they are like
You
proper big.
You guys are intimidating.
Proper big.
Oh, but he's like, there's one like, this tail was just.
He's probably taking
Oh,
That's a staple.
better get used to it.
You take the shoes and the jacket out.
Oh, okay.
They all have this like a separate room where you can take your stuff. You always have two entrances. So this one like for when you go out.
But even the constructors that are on the house.
Yeah, sometimes they are barefoot.
Oh,
They have
sometimes the
something to use
construction.
inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Not joking.
Okay, that's really cute.
We have a thing that is called the cold room. It's like a pantry that in general store food and a lot of stuff like butter. It's here. We always have two entrances. So this is the dirty one when it comes from the stable and everything.
Okay.
This is Nala.
She's very friendly. Hi, love. Oh, hi.
The working stuff, working gear will be here. The shoes, the overalls, jackets, everything.
This is where we'll have dinner.
In general. And another pantry.
Another pantry.
A normal one.
Okay.
This is going to be our room. Some amazing views. You can see the ocean.
Now that we finally arrived, I think this is it for the vlog. If you like, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!